So, we just did a compression test on this bitch. It's
70.
75, 150, 215, 90. So I think my head is
this
fucked.
This is the one that was 150. I don't
No,
remember.
this one was good.
Oh.
So, we're going to swap the head and see what happens. So we got the valve cover off, taking off the dizzy and the exhaust manifold right now. These fuckers are on there good. Can't film and take shit off at the same time. Alright, so we got the bolts on the exhaust manifold or the nuts taken off. What I would suggest is labeling and putting things in bags. So when you come back in like 2, 3, 4, 5 months, you don't forget where everything went. This is just us taking off the idler control valve. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the hood so we can see better and have more room to work. We're just gonna put it on top of the car.
I remember when I did.
Yep. I thought my dizzy was leaking. Turns out it is. At least a little bit.
I mean, yeah, at least.
You'll probably have to use a timing light to readjust this shit. Fuck. I don't have one.
Timing light.
Me neither. Oh, we'll figure it out.
Dude, you got so much fucking soup on that motherfucker.
This shit is layered on there.
Bro, it literally, it's coming off with just a scrub. But like, damn, bro, there's so much on there.
Yeah. Goddamn.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Put that, like, right.
Yeah.
Right.
You took solenoid, got fucking oil in it somehow.
I kind of wiped it out, but yeah, it had
Yep.
oil in it.
Damn.
Like a motherfucker.
Yeah, that's shit. This intake manifold took us forever to get in. It's gonna be a bitch to take back out. Alright, yep. Dizzy's pretty much out. Just gonna take this bracket off. Thermostat, all that fun shit.
Yeah, I think you still gotta take that bolt off of that bracket though.
Yeah, I will.
That's what I'm saying.
But, yeah. All air control valve pulled. We're gonna pull the fuel rail next. I just got the taking the VTEC solenoid off right now, and then we can start taking manifolds off and then disassemble. Holy fuck, that's a lot of fuel.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on.
So am I missing it? I am missing an O-ring. I knew I was missing one. Third cylinder doesn't have an O-ring.
Okay. How do I get this bitch off?
How did I know it's the third cylinder?
So
we gotta
what the fuck is that?
undo this fucking banjo bolt over there. And then we'll be all good.
It's the line.
Yeah, it's a fuel line.
Pressure. Like this one, not a problem. This one, go fuck yourself,
Bro
bro.
is struggling
Literally doesn't want to
to
come
get
out.
this shit off. I just pulled the intake, and then, yeah, still working on shit.
It's coming off.
Solid process.
There we go, dude. Fuck.
well,
You're gonna have to ask Johnny though. Ask him if it has that.
Yeah.
'Cause
I
that's gonna
stripped
be
the
important.
fuck out of this bolt, but I got the plug off. So hopefully, new head has this already. But
And we didn't need to take that off either then.
yeah, well,
I'll put
we're
that down. Yeah,
almost got everything off. At least on this side, and then we gotta go up and down. We're just gonna take the throttle cable off. We've decided to try and pull it with the intake manifold on because that's a bitch to get off, and then I'll just swap it to the new head while it's off. So instead, we're gonna pull the exhaust manifold off,
where's the main thing?
and then I'm gonna go pull all these out, and then yeah. Imagine pulling the head on a V6, like the
Yeah,
Accords.
because it's two heads.
Yeah. Like the rear head. Oh fuck, it's too tight.
Yeah, no. That's not gonna be strong enough. Try not to get it
Holy
everywhere.
fuck. Alright, we got both hoses off. Coolant is
Everywhere.
everywhere. Put a towel down because there's a whole pool under there. Like, yeah. So, yep. Nah. Using a cheater bar.
Little one? Break through it?
Yeah, probably.
Jeez.
Mm-hmm.
This would be 10 times faster if we had power tools.
Oh god, yeah. Thermostat coming off, yeah.
Bro's gasket was
That's
done
my
for.
fucking. That's my gasket. What the fuck, bro?
Bro's
What's it look like
gasket
in
was
there?
done.
I think I see some RTV in there. Maybe not. Damn. So now we gotta take off the timing side and the motor mount and like fucking everything else. It's gonna be fun.
I probably need the bar. It's not gonna fit on there right either.
It's not fitting on there right.
Well, it's play because the bracket's broken.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can get it though. I need the bar though.
Yeah.
So bad.
It's alright. Yeah, so this mount is
It's
like
toast.
completely fucked.
I can even get it off. But it's cracked on this side, yeah, so I'm not
Yeah.
saying.
Oh yeah, this thing is fucked up.
That would cause some vibration for you.
Yeah, a little bit.
Maybe just a little bit.
Might explain it. I should call her. So we got his jack and his tools over, but by the time we got back, it was like fucking 7:30, and then my girlfriend came over, and now it's 10 at night, so it's too late to do any work on it. But tomorrow we're gonna get under it, take the downpipe off, take this top part of the header off, and then try and take off the timing belt, balance shaft, all that stuff. And then I'm going to look into whether I can actually pull it with the intake manifold on or not. If not, I'll just suck it up and take it off. And then tomorrow at like 5 or so, I'm going to head over to Dallas. And then over the weekend, I'm going to pick up some more parts for it. So ARP head studs, head gasket, actually another head. It's same thing, P13. That's here. Just have this towel on, it's nothing, it's dirty. But I'm hoping that when I pull this head off, I don't see anything majorly wrong with it. Because I see like cracks in the block, cracks in the cylinder liner, cracked piston. Not really sure. I don't think I can visually see the piston rings. But if I swap the head and that doesn't help, then I guess I have to dismantle it anyways. But at that point, I'll have to pull the block. And then pulling the head on a block that's, or the engine that's pulled from the car, that's easy. It's way easier. I did this in like 2 hours with the engine out of the car because there's nothing in the way. I mean, shit, the wiring harness is super easy to take off and everything else you just dismantle. So I've continued the bags and I'm all ready for tomorrow. I already labeled bags for all these bolts. So something you want to do is you cannot mix and match these or you're going to have a lot of wear. So like I can put these in their own bag, that in their own bag, that in their own bag, etc. Label them intake and exhaust and then 1 through 5. And then same with the bolts that go under it. And the head studs, if I was reusing them, I would also have to do the same thing. But I'm getting new head studs, so it doesn't matter. So anyways, just thought I'd update. And this is going to be all for part 1 of the Prelude. I don't know what to call this. Saving the engine? Sure, we'll call it part 1 of saving the Prelude's motor and getting it ready for boost. Yay. So I will see y'all tomorrow.